my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Today I'm doing an apartment tour, well, an updated apartment tour. I do have several apartment tours and a house tour on my channel already, but we moved so much. We've been here for about 2 months now, and I feel like we're finally settled in enough to where I can show you guys a quick little tour. I'm gonna try to keep the video short and sweet. So if you guys have any suggestions on anything, please let me know. I love sharing ideas. I love receiving ideas. I am open to it, honey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you are already an existing subscriber, welcome back. I do appreciate your guys' support so much. Although I've been gone for a while, I am trying to make my way back. I just appreciate your guys' patience. So let's get this video started. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my front door that you would walk in. And then right here, as you walk in, these are the stairs that lead to our garage. So to my right is a mirror. I wanted to put a mirror here so that you can just take a quick look at yourself before you walk out the door, which is right here again. So we have like, this little rack here, shoe rack down here. We have the kitchen here. So over here, I have my little Keurig, and I have like this cute little sign, this little decoration thing. I have like these cute little signs here, and then like, spatulas, little salt and pepper thing. And then here I have this pray more, worry less little towel thing. I really like that. And then over here, I have my menu that my sister-in-law gave me. I suck at following it, but I'm trying this week, guys. Oh yeah, and then I got these bar stools from TJ Maxx. So yeah, they were like 50 bucks each, not bad. I love them there. They match the cabinetry very well. And then over here in this closet, we have like our, I guess it's called a utility closet or something. Eventually, I do plan on organizing this a lot better than it is now, but we have our calendar here, and then like, broom, vacuum, laundry stuff up there. Then to our right in this little area is the washer and dryer, stackable, very convenient. So coming over here is the kids' table. We love this table for them. They love it. They eat there. They do their arts and crafts there. It's perfect. Now over here, I did this cute little wall decor thing. I got these frames from Walmart, and they were only like $3 each. So it was very affordable. Got the little water dispenser here. And then I have our 2 little ladder shelves here that we brought over from our old house, because I got rid of a lot of furniture. But yeah, I just kind of threw like a bunch of random things on there, pictures and cute little things to kind of make it all coexist. And then the F for Fraser right there. And then here on this side, we have the same vibe going on over here. Okay, got some little Bibles down there and some books in case you want to get a good word in ya. And then here is my baby. We have had this table for such a long time. So I like painted the chairs, and then my friend helped me sand and paint the table, and I kind of like did like a little like brush stroke to it to kind of give it that like, old weathered look. And I think it came out really nice. Tell me what you guys think. And over here we have my room, well, Eric and I's room. So straight here is the restroom, and then if you turn right, that is the room. It is pretty small, but if you know me, I'm always entertaining and hosting, so never really in my room. But yeah, so here's the restroom. So here I have like a whole bunch of stuff. I had to go and get these to extend my counter space, because there really wasn't much counter space before, and I really like how it works. And then right here we have the shower behind the door. I like how like on the light fixtures, it's like a button that you press to turn it on and off. And then when I close the door, here's the shower. Right here, it's pretty big in there, spacious, like, pretty wide. I like it. And then when I turn around over here, I have this little hamper thing here, toilet, little decor stuff there. And in here is my little tiny closet that is literally jam-packed with stuff. I do plan on organizing this a little better. later. And maybe you guys can join me whilst I organize this better one day. But that's not now because we've literally only been here for 2 months. So back around, and you're gonna turn this way. And here's this little body mirror that I have here. I love mirrors, so you'll see them all around my house. And then I have this little cute sign that I printed out, and it says, P.S. I love you, with some cute little flowers sticking up out the top. And then over here, we have this little vase here. And my little fish tank. Do you guys love my fish? Aren't they so cute, just floating around? And then of course another mirror here. These signs up here, it says let's stay, and the other side it says in bed. I thought that was so cute. I printed those out as well. And I brush stroked this mirror all by myself, guys. I'm so talented. No, I'm just kidding. It was super easy to do, and I didn't want to get rid of them, so I just like kind of wanted to give it the weathered look but keep it black so that it would match my bed, or my bed frame. So yeah, there's that. And then we got these cute little cubicles from Walmart. And you guys, please let me know if you have any questions on where I got things, because I know I'm moving pretty fast, but just let me know. Then we have this powerful fan. I love it. It literally does its job. And then here's Eric's little side over here. Nothing special. Same vibe on both sides. And yeah, I made this cute little knitted, I guess you would call it like a bed runner. I don't know. I just made it. It was like my first little project, and then I just threw it across my bed. Sorry, I totally forgot this. Over here is a sign that says, together they built a life they loved, and my friend gave me that. I'm not done with this area. I kind of want to hide the cords and then probably put something bigger on either side over here, but we'll see what the vibes bring later. But yeah, it's pretty much just that, a plain little wall there. And then we're gonna walk back out of the room, and then I'm gonna show you the living room area. So over here's the living room area. Got the couch. Our couch fits so perfect here. I love it. Eventually I'm going to get a new rug, a bigger rug that kind of like fits under the couch. Got this little table decor here. Thought it was super cute. Got the remotes for the TV and stuff there. I put up these 2 little wreaths, and my friend gave me this beautiful little tree back here. I love it. Here I have a sign that says, you will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. Now, I might move this sign somewhere over by the door eventually, but we'll see. And so yeah, then there's pictures of us up there, and then there is a mirror here, a floor mirror that just sits against the wall, and I kind of like that vibe. I might leave that there. I'm not sure. I might change it. And when you turn here, we have the TV. You guys, I always keep the fireplace on to keep us nice and warm. So here's our fireplace. No, I'm just kidding. It's just a screensaver. I like how it looks, so I always play it. And then a sign up here that says Home Sweet Home. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and all the greenery from Hobby Lobby as well. And I actually got this sign from Hobby Lobby too. So yeah. And then down here, I just have like some little bins and buckets with little pillows and blankets. If we have company and they're cold and they want to use that, boom, there it is. But yeah, so that's our living room. And then when you walk over here, I've got a little tiny hallway, some pictures, some more mirrors, and then to the right we have our guest bathroom and a little bit of storage right here. I love the guest bathroom because it is very open, very wide, very spacious. And yeah, here's just like a toilet, some little decor. I printed that out and framed it. Got some toilet paper in this little basket right here in case you run out. And the shower. So like I said, the shower is like pretty big and wide in there. So there's that. Then I have these 2 little heart mirrors here. So now we're gonna move on to the kids' room, which is right here. So we have a kids' room on this side, empty guest room on this side. I'll show you kids' room first. So here we go. the bunk beds. We have 2 toy bins. This is not gonna be like this, guys. This is just what I have now. So hopefully when I do redo their room, you guys can be here with me. So then we have like a little desk for Aubrey's schooling because yes, she's still doing virtual schooling. So we have their little bunk beds here. And as you turn over here, and their room is like the biggest room, guys. So you turn over here, we have the little kitchen and Aubrey's Barbie dream house. And then Elijah's little excavator, bookshelf, and TV. So yeah, I do plan on doing their room like a little different later, but when I turn around over here, this is how it looks. And then here's their closet. I like how they have it organized like that. It makes it easy to keep it like kind of everything in place. And then yeah, so that's basically their room. And then when I come over here, we've got the guest bedroom, which we're eventually going to finally order a bed to go in here. But yeah, Eric uses this closet for his stuff. But yeah, here's the guest room. Nothing special, literally empty. And maybe you guys can give me some suggestions of what I should do in here and how I should decorate it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, like I said, if you guys have any suggestions on things that I can change or like, you know, rearrange. I'm down to hear it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.